Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again, CodingPhase.com. Your boy's back in, I done did it again. So welcome to this Svelte course. Okay, so this is a front-end framework, and I know some of you guys probably like, oh my God, Joe, why? There's another front-end framework. Why do we have to learn another one? Why do we have to do this and that? Guys, this is the best part about being a developer. When you are a developer, right? You want to learn all of these new tools, okay? Not every single one, of course, right? You got to choose which ones you feel like, hey, this is worth my time, this is not worth my time, etc. Okay? Now, we all know that the top two front-end frameworks are Angular and React, okay? That's hands down, let's be honest, okay? That's where the majority of the jobs are. But things are changing in the industry, okay? There's new frameworks that are coming in and are doing things that are actually better than the old approach that Angular was taking and the old approach that React was taking, okay? And this is where this framework comes in as well, okay? So in reality, Svelte is really a compiler. We can't even consider this like a framework, right? It has its own style of doing things, but it's really just taking your certain type of code, right, and compiling it to JavaScript, okay? This is something that is not being done by the other frameworks, okay? So let's say, for example, React. When you have something like React really creates a virtual DOM. So we know there's a DOM on the browser, right, on your document, right? But then from there, React creates a virtual DOM on top of that, okay? Now, what Svelte does is it compiles your code, right, to just JavaScript, and then at the same time is using the things that's already inside of the browser. This is one of the reasons why I love frameworks like Polymer, where pretty much you're using what's there, okay? Everything that we're trying to use with other frameworks like Angular, Vue.js, React, right? All of those things are already inside in JavaScript, in vanilla JavaScript, right? These frameworks are creating like an extra layer on top of that to do what they want to do with the DOM, right? With the page. But if we actually just use what's already in JavaScript, the applications are going to run faster and it's going to be more smoother, okay? And that's what Svelte does for us. And this is why I will say, guys, you got to learn this. Now, if you are a member of CodingPhase.com, you get this course, of course, right? This course, of course, for free. I know it's one of those things, like this course, of course, and of course, yeah, you get it for free. Okay, so... guys, I'm just having fun with it, okay? But yeah, man, so I'm going to be teaching you guys in this course with Svelte, right? We're gonna be creating a couple of projects to get you really comfortable, and it's good to know these different frameworks for different situations, okay? You know, there's gonna be a situation where you might say, I'm working for a company and they use React, and yes, you're gonna use React, okay? But if there's gonna be a situation where you need that performance and you need everything to run more smoother and in a smaller application, then you're gonna use something like Svelte, okay? It's good to know every single little thing out there, every single little pros and cons of different frameworks, so like that you can choose which one is the right one for the job, okay? Just remember this, guys. This is just like tools, right? It's like having a screwdriver, right, with the star, and a screwdriver that is with the flathead, okay? You choose the one that needs to go for that specific screw, and the other one is for the flathead screws, okay? Simple, okay? Makes sense, okay? I'm just keeping it as simple as possible for you, okay? Because I know I'm trying to convince you guys to learn this, because I know a lot of you guys just be like, man, my brain is shutting down, you know, I already know enough and this and that. Guys, you can never be like that. You want to be somebody with an open mind and try to you know, not master everything, but be able to learn from every framework, every library, everything that's out there as much as you can, of course, right? But try to learn, you know, the pros and cons of different things, so like that you can choose the right tools for the right job, okay? So I'm gonna see you guys later. Just wanted to let you guys know and welcome you guys into this course. Of course, like I said, this course, of course, like I said, is going to be part of, you know, my website, CodingPhase.com. If you're a member of CodingPhase.com, you get access to this and all of the other courses that I have, all right? So definitely check it out. Every programming course that I have is part part of the memberships. So take advantage. Okay, it's literally the best deal out there. For $20 or whatever it might be at the moment, right? You might just get everything that you need to become a developer, and that's it. And get higher and get your bread, get your money, stack up, and then just dab through this. Guys, I'm having fun. This is part of who I am, and at the same time, you guys love it. All right, so it is what it is, guys. By the way, man, go visit CodingPhase.com if you're watching this on YouTube or you're watching this on another platform. Check out my website, CodingPhase.com. We have the best courses in there, okay, at a best price, period. Okay, hands down. All right, so I'm gonna see you guys later. It's your boy Joe. Let's get started. I'm super excited to start on this course. I'll see you guys later. Peace.